What's up, my curly niestas? It's your girl Shareen Nicole coming to you with another slay of the day, baby. Yes. So today we are going to be going over this fashion wig, which is actually my Cruella de Vil wig. So I wanted to show you guys how quick, simple, and easy this is, especially if you're a last minute Halloween costume shopper like me. Okay, so all you need and what it comes with is the wig caps, and then you have the wig itself. You have the two elastic straps on the back for secureness. The bangs are a little long, which you'll see right here, but it is so cute, guys. Get into the curls. Like, I love the two-toneness. And right here I'm just parting it to separate it to see how it will look, and I absolutely love it, y'all. All right, y'all, I am absolutely here for this wig. Like, I absolutely love it. This is gonna go great if you want to be Cruella de Vil, which is what I'm going to be. This is also great for, like, you know, just wanting to see how you would look with two-tone hair color. You don't have to get it curly. They do have straight ones on Amazon, but the one that I have here is curly, and I'm here for it. It's giving that, you know, pin curl look, and I absolutely love it. I love this curl, the bounce, everything is just great. Tucked behind the ear, good to go. Wait till your girl gets some makeup on, baby. What? Look how cute this is. Like, you can't tell me that this isn't cute. And this is just amazing. Like, it looks so good. It's really seamless. Like, I'm here for it. You don't see that? That looks really good. So let me go ahead and turn around and show you guys the back. Absolutely adorable. Even you can do like two pigtails. Like, that is just so cute. Like, I don't know about you, but I've been the type of person that always wanted to know what it would look like with two-tone hair color. And of course, you know, the job requires you not to do that. So this is a great way for me to figure out how I would look with white and black hair on one side. And I'm absolutely here for it. Like, I love it. So like I said, tuck behind the ears, play with the curls, do whatever it is that you need to do for this wig, honey. But I like it just the way it is. I really especially love this side. Like, for whatever reason, I feel like it's just because of the color, the curls kind of pop a little bit more. But I mean, it is curled the same way on this side. I just feel, I don't know, I feel like I like this side better. There we go. You can always spring them out and stuff. So this is gonna be great, baby. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, the links will be down below for this wig, just in case you were thinking about a nice little Cruella de Vil for Halloween. You can definitely pull this off with this. And yes, child, I will see y'all in my next wig review. Bye. Baby, let me go get me some red lipstick, okay, honey? We got half makeup on, okay? We got half makeup. I think that looks good, you know, a little eyeliner. We got NARS is what we'll be using for our red lips today. Ooh, this is gonna be nice. Ooh, I see it already. Who's gonna be a great Cruella de Vil? Provided I get this lipstick on. Yes. Yes, definite. What? You can't tell me I'm not Cruella, baby. Yes. If y'all want to see the full outfit, make sure you check out my other page. You can see the full look. But baby, this is, ooh, wait a minute. Let me get a photo. What? I am absolutely here for it. I don't know what it is about this white side, but I'm loving it. And I'm actually glad that I didn't put makeup on, because I don't want to get brown on this white, you know what I'm saying? So this is something that you should put on first and then do your makeup afterwards, because then you can clamp up the bangs, move your hair back to the side and stuff like that. I feel like if you put the wig on and something slips out of place, all that makeup, if you're my skin complexion, even if you're not my skin complexion, all that makeup is going to be on this. And that's what we don't want. So, you know, Halloween time, I might not wear any makeup and I might just do a nice lip like this. And eyeliner, honey, okay, if I could pull it off, so can you, boo. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.